So we're at
That slams.
1611. We're at 1611 Connecticut Avenue, Northwest.
I think somebody called it. Oh, you pressed it
Washington,
already.
D.C. I think somebody did call it because it did have it down before I pressed it. So the buttons have been modded, but the cab is...
And that looks like an original lantern, too.
Yes, and that does work.
It is significantly louder from the outside going up than it was going down.
It is traction, and the only thing really looks like it was modded was the buttons.
Yeah, that's just a slap-on.
And it does have an automatic gate. Are we going back up?
Yeah, I guess so.
Capacity is 1,000 pounds. It's a small elevator.
Oh, yeah.
We'll just go back down to
All
one.
right.
We kind of call this the telemarketer elevator because one time a telemarketer called the intercom. Get out. Not taking all the way, so you can push it more.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.